Hi everybody, this is Brian Seymour, and this is our third installment of our PLSD technology snapshots. So we're going to talk about some different apps today that will help you out, especially today we're going to be dealing with everything Google. So we're going to give you a real quick overview of the apps that you will want to probably download and have on your own personal iPad if you have one, and then also some apps that you can use for your kids. So we're going to go ahead, and as everybody knows, we're transitioning away from first class. We're moving into Google. So as we do that, here are some of the apps that you will want to be able to use and be able to have on your iPads. Okay. So we've got Gmail, we've got Drive, we've got Docs, we've got Slides, Sheets, Hangouts, Chrome, and Google+. Okay. So first of all, let's start out with Gmail. So if you have an iPhone as well, anything that you see here can also be used for iPhone. So this is basically what the app will look like when you get into it. So you've got all of your different emails, so on and so forth. You can add different labels, so you can put them in folders, sort of, as you've done before. You've got ones that you star, mail that you've sent, important ones, draft, so on. All right, so if we move this back over. So now you've got all of your emails, So here was somebody, Andrea Baldwin, has given me access to the teaching and learning calendar. Here, Julie Noble sent me something on Project Lead the Way. Here I got an email from YouTube. So as you can see, this looks dramatically different than what it is that we're dealing with first class, because now all the pictures and all the videos and everything right there is all completely embedded into this. So now you don't have to worry about launching a browser, going into a browser. Everything, you can see it nice and easily. So basically everything's the same way as you did before. Create a new email. You've got your subject, you've got your two-line. So if I wanted to write something to, let's just say Sharon, her email pops right up. I can click on that. Subject, how about lunch? And then you can just start writing your email. Can we do lunch today? Okay. And then boom, press the little button that looks like a paper airplane, and voila, it's sent off to Sharon. Okay, so we'll discard that one. Okay, so that is mail. Pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory, I think. Has everything that we're looking for, especially moving forward. There are also a couple of different options here. You can label, you can mute if there's a video, you can print directly from here. You can also trash directly off here. So let's say I wanted to trash this one, trash can, just like we've done in the past. Okay. The next thing I want to talk about is probably going to be the most important one, and that's going to be Drive. And this is where we're going to really store all of our material and really be able to have those discussions and collaborative pieces and so on and so forth. So here's Drive. So you've got your Drive. So these are things that either I've saved or things that I've made. In addition to that, you've also got incoming. So these are all things that people have sent me. Okay. Then you've got recent ones, so ones that I've adjusted or looked at recently. Ones that I've starred. I don't think I've starred any ones. And then anything that's actually kept on this device. I would suggest most of them keep them on in the Drive. So here's everything. Let's see. This is something that we did here. This was we were asking some people to create some iPad recommendations for apps. So when we open that, there's all of those recommendations for different apps that we've asked for. Okay. Now, if you notice, this actually opened up a program called Sheets. So Drive actually integrates with all of the rest of these to be able to use. So I would recommend that if you're downloading Drive, you also get docs, slides, and sheets, so that way everything can get held in together. So for example, if I look at incoming, okay, I can look at a project plan that was sent from somebody even outside of the district. And there it is. It's not working right today. Okay. Unfortunately, that one's not cooperating with me. So Susan sent me something starting up on Google. Okay, so here, if we wanted to add people to Google, we could do that. Okay. So slides is like if you want to do any type of presentation. So if you want to view a PowerPoint presentation and you don't have an access to PowerPoint or to Keynote, you can actually put it right here into slides. And here was a presentation done for Bout Park. So as you can see, this is actually a PowerPoint presentation that I'm now able to view. And if I wanted to, I could even present it right here. Okay. And you can also, as I've done here, this is kind of a practice one, you could even create brand new presentations right here through Google Slides. Okay. Sheets is anything that's like a spreadsheet type thing. So as we saw earlier, here's the iPad's recommendations. So as you can see, it just looks like a basic spreadsheet type thing. A bunch of different apps that people have recommended that are beneficial. Okay. The other things we have here is Google Hangouts. This is something that's going to be brand new. This is a way for you to do audio and video chats with other people inside of our domain. So let's say, for example, you wanted to have a conversation. You're a 4th grade teacher at Pickerington Elementary, and you wanted to have a conversation with the 4th grade teachers over at Violet Elementary. You could actually do that right here through Google Hangout, and you could both be at your individual buildings, not having to worry about time that it takes to drive back and forth or so on. But you could do it right here. So you could have TVTs meetings then across the district, and you can get multiple different groups in here. So we could potentially have a bunch of, we could have 6 or 7 of the elementaries all together at the exact same time talking about whatever it is that needs to happen. We could do that all completely virtual. We've also got Google Chrome, which everybody pretty much knows what Google Chrome is. It's just another web browser. And then the last one is Google Plus. And Google Plus is basically Google's social media piece to it. So you can get in, you can add some people. There's Google saying Happy Halloween to us. And you can follow. There's actually some pretty good stuff that you can find. Some recommendations, some PD type stuff, some different communities. Some kind of cool things. Some videos, so on and so forth. So as we move into Google, these are the apps that I would recommend that you go ahead and download. Like I said, you can put these on your phone as well if you want. So Gmail, Drive, Docs, Slides, Sheets, Hangouts, Chrome, and Google+. So thank you very much for the 3rd installment of our technology snapshots. And I hope this will be useful as we move into the world of Google Apps for Education. Thank you.